What's up guys, this is Asian Beast from Chris, and today I got a new pickup for you guys. Let me show you. And you can see the box here. Today is the Supra, and you can see this on the side is the TK Society black and green nylon, size 11. Many people got amazed because they think that I shouldn't wear size 11 because, it's too big for me. But actually, when I tried it on, it perfectly fits me. Yeah, so let's open it up. When you open it, there's a receipt. Okay, here. It's 290 Singaporean dollars. Yeah. And it's quite nice. Receipt, go away. Supra letter and logo all around the paper. Open it up. Boom. Here it is. Let's check it out, man. So nice. So nice. Here. Boom. Boom. Here. Let's check it out together. This shoes is really nice. Okay. Let's see here. As you can see here, the material is nylon, and I don't know if you guys can see the difference, cause this is black and this is dark green, I think. Dark green. Don't know, not sure. Okay, who cares? And the laces is wax laces, as usual. The Supra always use it. And the inside, take this out. And inside color is green, and the Supra thing, size 11. Can't see it clearly. Size 11. And inside, the TK logo here, and also in the back, there's the two straps. There's TK, two straps, and in the back down here, Supra logo, and two green line around the shoe, and the sole is green with the white crown logo, Supra. And yeah, I think that's all about the shoe. And wait, I see something. Okay. It comes out with the extra laces. I don't know what color. Wait, let me open it up. Oh yeah. It comes out with a extra white laces, and it's also waxed. Yeah, also wax laces. Alright. So, and in the bag says Supra here. So, this is the new unboxing video of this shoe, and I hope you guys like it, and catch you later. Peace.